Okay, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be rebuilding the master cylinder, the rear master cylinder on the shovel. I did pick up this Drag Specialties kit yesterday, in case you're looking for this kit. This is actually, I picked this up at a local shop next town over. Drag Specialties, $19.95. No, it was, I think JP Cycles wanted $23 for this, if I remember right. So this will fit a 58 to 79 FLFX with a 3/4 inch bore. So I'm hoping, now I don't know the bore on that master cylinder because it is aftermarket, it is in the stock. It's a chrome one and the stock one would be black. So plus it also takes .5, which would not be on a 76 shovel. So I'm not going to bore you by showing you how to take the master cylinder off. You take the floorboard off, take one bolt for the mount off, and then it's off. So I'll pick this up when I have the cylinder on my bench over here, and we can look at rebuilding it. Okay, so we got the master cylinder off. You can see the boot is destroyed on this. It doesn't look actually too bad inside, if you can see in there. It's rust, but I'm going to clean this out. It doesn't look like I'm seeing any particles in there, but I'm going to flush this out with some alcohol and see what we can do with it. Then we'll let it dry. I'm just going to put a little bit in there. Just kind of flush it around a little bit. And pour that out. So this boot is actually no good, and we have a new one right here. So let's we're gonna take this little clip out, which is the new one. Looks like this. If I can get this out. There it goes. All right, so now we've got this little gasket here. I don't think it came with one. Did it come with one? We'll put that aside for now. We have this new piece here, which is this one. And it looks like this ring goes around here like that. And how do we get the rest of this out? This cap here, which we have a new one. And then we have the spring with this little piece on it. I don't see that in here though, so we have to reuse this piece because I don't see it on this spring, and there's nothing in the package. So it's pretty simple, you know, what's in there. There's nothing. Let me open this up. Yeah, there's nothing else in there, if you can see in there. So it's kind of straightforward what you have to do. I don't know why there's no piece. And I don't think you can take this off. It doesn't look like you can anyway. You can't. So this one does not have this piece. I don't know if it's going to make a difference or not. But this looks like it's part of the spring. I don't think it comes off. It doesn't look like it does. We'll see about getting it off. So that is the thing for that. Okay. Unless this is the piece that fits it. I don't know if it's different, but okay, I did get this off because this has little metal tabs that go underneath this. I mean, I probably could have used this spring. It's the same length, but I figured I'd use this spring. And you just have to bend these tabs back underneath it. Okay, so we got all the parts. I did take this cap off, the old spring. I don't know why some of these come with this cap and some don't. I'm not really even sure that you need it on there, but it was on there, so I do it. So this goes in first. Then we have this rubber cap that goes on top of it. and we can just kind of push that to seat that. We have the plunger with this side out because this side goes into the rod on the brake shoe, not the brake shoe, but the brake lever. Then we just kind of push this down with this steel washer. And inside this, there's a ridge, which this fits in. So we get that in there, maybe. Okay, so we got that in. Now we take this boot, we just make sure it's, so it is plunging like it's supposed to. Now we take this boot, and this boot goes over this, if I can get this on without ripping it. Okay, so we got this on. I have seen some people zip tie this on, but I don't think we need to. It seems like it's fitting on there pretty tight. Then we got the cap. So let's go over to the bike and we'll stick this back on. Okay, I'm gonna spray some brake cleaner on here because there is just a lot of brake fluid all on here. And this has .5, so .5 will definitely eat your paint. So we'll spray that out. So now we've got this rod here, which I'm going to replace because you can see this thing is rusty as shit. But let's, we'll put this in. This goes in here, like that. Okay, everything's back together. You can see over here we get everything set up. I'm still waiting for a new bracket for this floorboard. This one is, I bent this back with my press, but this really isn't the right bracket that's on here. So I'm waiting for my new one to come in. So, but everything's fine. I'm not getting any leaks out of here like I was before. I just gotta bleed the brakes, and we'll be fine. So that's gonna wrap it up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.